lot of money, but he gave it all to the property.
This is an aerial flood warning. Issued at 4:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Flood warning now in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Large stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues. Areas affected include portions of southeast Ohio, including the following counties: Athens, Meigs, Morgan and Washington, and northern West Virginia, including the following county: Pleasants. The hazardous weather can be expected until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Some streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall, while others have crested and are starting to drop. Additional details: at 4:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, gauge reports indicated flooding along the rivers and larger streams, including the Little Muskingum River, Duck Creek, and the Shade River. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Marietta, Belpre, Beverly, Cooville, Chester Hill, Fort Glen State Park, Williamstown, New Haven, Belmont, Tuppers Plains, Chester, Syracuse, Lowell, Stockport, Fleming, Blennerhassett, Little Hocking, Bartlett, Devola, and Willow Island. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night. The hazardous weather can be expected. It's harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, the aerial flood warning has been extended until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following.
Give it away.